Reordering features. Your features are created in the order that they're made. So here I made hole number 1, hole number 2, hole number 3, hole number 4, hole number 5. So you can reorder these features as long as they're not dependent. If they're dependent, they'll have a black line running through the dependent feature. So if I were to pick on hole number 5, all I have to do is drag and drop it up and it'll place it. While I'm dragging, it will have a black line showing up. So I can go and move hole number 4, so 4, 5, and I can just reorder the way I've created any feature. So now I've reordered these, so hole number 5 is at the top of my browser list. So sometimes we want to be able to create things in a different order than we actually made them, or reorder them from the way that we actually made them. But if it's dependent on something, then we can't move that dependent feature. So sometimes it matters in how we go about building an object, and we just want to have things in a different order where we can easily do this. This has some, remember the end apart is if we slide that around, we can hide or suppress the things that come after it. This is not the same as the end apart, even though they're somewhat similar, that the holes are just reordered in the way we made them. So if for some reason we need to have hole number 5 at the beginning of our basic file, we can do so. So we can reorder the features in the browser by just dragging and dropping them as long as they're not dependent.